Hi there, how is going? Zubayer here. Today we will set up Google First-Party Mode through Cloudflare. We can also call it Google Tag Gateway. So let's get started. Actually, Google First-Party Mode work only for the Google services. For example, GA4, the Google Ads. So we need three platforms to set up the First-Party Mode. If you use Google Tag Manager for tracking, we can do it from Google Tag Manager. Then if you use only GA4, you can do it only from the GA4 platform. Then if you use only the Google Ads and use the Google Ad conversion tracking, we can also do it from Google Ad platform. So let me go to Google Ads. I will show you both of them. Okay, so I am using Google Tag Manager to set up the conversion tracking, and I am tracking for this website. Okay, so this is my portfolio website. I am doing for this website. So let me open my Google Ads. Okay, it is taking some time. Okay, this one is the right one. Okay, we have Google Tag, both of them. If I go to the admin, I will have an option to add the Google First Party Mode or Google Tag Gateway. This one, Google Tag Gateway. Then if I go to analytic and then admin, I will get the same option here. Okay, it's loading. So from here we have to go to data string. Then yeah, here. So I see configuration tag setting. Then I should find the Google Tag Gateway. Yeah, this one. Here is it. So we can also connect Google Tag Gateway from here. So where it is. Okay, from admin we can do it. Yeah, Google Tag Gateway. Then if I go to the Google Ads, then tools, then data manager, we can also do it from Google Ads. Okay, now just manage the Google Tag. Okay, now open it. So this is the same Google Tag actually. Okay, so this is Zubayer Islam. This is the same Google Tag. Now we can do it from here. So go to admin, then Google Tag Gateway. Okay, but if you use Google Tag Manager and set up the Google Tag Gateway, it will work for both of them, like the GA4, the Google Ads. So it will work for both services, all the Google services that you are using for the conversion tracking. Now we need a Cloudflare account with our domain in it. I mean, at first we have to create a Cloudflare account, then we have to add our domain on the Cloudflare. I have already an account and I have already added the domain. It is active here. Now we can connect the Google Tag Manager with Cloudflare and set up the Google First Party Mode very easily. And after setting the First Party Mode, our tracking script like the Google Tag Manager, Analytic and Google Ads tracking script will work based on our first party domain and same origin domain. Okay, so let me show you. So let's connect, set up set up Google Tag Gateway. Then we have to just continue. Then we have to send something here. For example, it is auto generated and we can change it. This is like a path, the path of the website. So we can use anything, and this is the subfolder of our website to set up the same origin first party tracking. So I want to use ZPPC or ZPPC 1 2 3. Okay, now sign into Cloudflare. Okay, let's connect the Google Tag Manager with Cloudflare. Okay, it is loading. Okay, it is already connected maybe. No, we have to allow to connect. Okay, nice. Okay, it is connecting. Yeah, it is loading. Okay, nice. It is already connected. Now let's complete the setup. Okay, then done. Perfect. Now it is working. And if I go to Cloudflare, then go to like Tag Manager. Oh yeah, Tag Manager. Then Google Tag Gateway. Yeah, Google Tag Gateway. Yeah, I will find our domain here. Yeah, I am seeing it. So this is our domain. And if I open it, I will see it is active and it is working. Then if I click on configure, I will see this origin. Okay, so our tracking will work based on this origin. If I show you, so let me open our website again. Let me reload. At first we have to go to inspect, then network, just paste it here, then load the website. We will find some hit here. Okay, it is loading. Okay, now I find some hit here. At first let's check this one. Okay, GS some cookie here I find. Then if I open the analytic hit, I see analytic hit request sent to our origin. So this is the main domain and this is the origin that we use. Okay, then the GA4 measurement ID. Perfect. Then yeah, those are the same, almost same the hit. Now if I check the website code, let me go to view page sources and let's search something. Yeah, this one. I also find that Cloudflare added a script here and they are loading all the Google tag based on this origin. Okay, so I hope you got it, and the Google first party mode is working perfectly right now. If I show you also the cookie, let me show you. So application, then yeah, cookie, our GA and all the cookie is working based on cloudflare.com. Okay, so Cloudflare, then our main domain. This is because the Cloudflare and main domain is working together to track the conversion. Okay, so I hope you got the point. And I also find some cookie here that is working based on Cloudflare. Okay, so it is working. The Google Tag Gateway is running and the first party mode is working perfectly. Thanks for watching. If you need help with setup or want to make sure your tracking is working perfectly, I would love to help. You will find a blog post with more details in the description along with my WhatsApp and booking link. Just book a free consultation or send me a message. Let's make your conversation tracking work.